Well, this is something I absolutely hate doing, but you guys love it. You guys love cold starts, and this is going to be a cold start. I have my old Honda Civic battery that is 4 years old. That is, I'm going to say 300 cold cranking amps, but we're going to make up with that with a battery booster. And I just kind of want to do this for you guys. I absolutely hate watching cold start videos, and I don't know why everybody on YouTube loves them so much. But I've got so many requests for a cold start, I thought, what better vehicle to do it on than this Buick. It's been sitting here for a little over a month, maybe 2 months now. I'm thinking a month and a half, we'll say. It's got quite a bit of snow on it. Yesterday was -19. Today has been a solid -12 degrees Celsius. Not Fahrenheit for you American friends. What we're going to do is we're going to throw the battery in. And now we're going to hook up the battery booster. Oh. Now the reason why we're hooking up the battery booster before is because I have zero faith in that battery. None. Now you got to be careful when you install these battery boosters. They're quite delicate. You don't want to damage them. Puck goes through the window. And we're going to plug her in. Turn it to 200. I guess I didn't plug this cord into the wall. Let's go plug it in the wall. Now the last thing we're going to need is this vice grip to attach the positive to the battery, because I've already stolen all the tools parts to attach the positive. Because it's carbureted, we're going to pump the snot out of this thing. We're going to rev it up and see if she starts up. I think it will. So we're just going to kick all the snow off the seat. Just like that. Oh, we're going to install our positive battery terminal and the fuel pump. Where's the fuel pump switch? Cold. There it is. Fuel pump is on. Do we have power? We have power. Pump. Oh, I think she's dead. Oh, I know why I didn't hook up the booster cables. Oh, turn the fuel pump off. Let's give it a minute or two. Turn the key off. Let this battery charge up. It's pretty damn cold out today. I'm just going to give this a minute or two to charge, and then we're going to try it again. Oh. Oh. So we've given it a little bit of time to charge. Fuel pump? Fuel pump sounds better. Okay, it's going to turn over. Okay, she wants to go. Oh, almost. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. Started up as soon as it got a good battery. Almost, come on. Come on, you can do it. Is it trying to start, Harley? Oh, almost. Almost. Come on. Come on. sounds like she wants to go. Maybe I can find a happy medium in this gas pedal. Almost. How much fuel's in this tank? Right from dead cold to burnout. Too bad it's the passenger side tire that was doing the burnout, but there's quite a bit of smoke here. Woo! Look at the tire, just roasting the tire off of her. Oh. You know, right from a dead cold, that oil's probably like molasses, right? The red line neutral drops. That's what derby cars are all about. Beat the crap out of them. You know what the best part is I'm not driving this one. Ah. Well, this is one of those videos that I get requests of for a lot. And I'm not a big cold start fan because it's really hard on my motors. I know the demolition derby motors, but it doesn't matter to me. Here, let me turn this off. Like I was saying, now you can probably hear me, I'm not a fan of cold starts because it's so hard on the motors, but I know it's a demolition derby car, but if my motor gets damaged doing cold starts on some of these derby cars, and then it's going into a derby and the motor's already damaged, I'm going to be mad at myself for doing it. Now this one here, I do want to keep the motor, but I'd like to see how it does first. Honestly, I have never seen an Iron Duke around me. I've not been around for 20 years when the Iron Dukes were really, really popular. When I was in high school, one of my buddies had an Iron Duke and a Ferrero. So that's the only time I've ever seen an Iron Duke, but that was full fuel injected. This one here is half fuel injected, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of doing cold starts, especially cold starts to revs. But if I'm going to be ripping the motor out of it anyways, I don't mind it. Now, this one here, I kind of want to save the motor. But yeah, you guys get the point. What else could we do cold starts on in the future? We could do a cold start on this one, but honestly, I'd have to put fuel lines and the computer. I think this one's kind of out of the question for now. The VW, I could probably do a cold start on that VW. I think I just need a battery. Now, mind you, I would need a really good battery for that thing to cold start it. I might even invite over the guy that built the car to cold start that with us. We got a Cannibal back there we could cold start. The Mazda's blown up. The Odyssey's gone, well, garbage, the motor's ripped out of it. The Honda's blown up. I don't really want to cold start too many of these things. But maybe in the future I can try doing that VW. And you know, we can actually just blow that one right up. So maybe I'll put that into the works. I'll message Cody probably here in the next couple of days. Maybe I'll even message Steven, because Steven drove it once and Cody built it, so it could be like a cooperation between the two. The Creator and the Destroyer. So anyway guys, thanks very much for watching as the smoke still comes out of my shed. Like I said, don't do a whole lot of cold starts, but I definitely get a lot of requests for it. And a lot of you guys have been private messaging me asking me about to do one on the Buick. So I figured it'd be a good video. Take care, guys. See you back here tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've started putting the little subscribe button here at the end. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow.